Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 7, Term 3rd, Geography, Unit 2, Map Reading. So, dear children, today we are going to do the book back exercise. Let us start with the wrap up, the summary. Map is a representation of the earth as a whole or a part of the earth drawn on a flat surface according to given scale. So map naka and the earth paper la varinjirukkuradhu. Representation of earth. Maps are classified into two types, on the basis of scale and on the basis of content. So maps two types இருக்குது. Scale வழியாவும் இருக்குது, content பத்தியாவும் இருக்குது. The basis essential elements of a map are title, direction, scale and legend or key or symbol. So இதெல்லாம் important things. The cardinal direction are north, south, west, east. The scale of a map is the ratio between the distance on the map between 2 points. A legend or key of a map explain the details in the map. The Survey of India (SOI) have standardized a set of conventional signs and symbols. Okay, now moving on to the glossary part. Map, it means representation of earth on a flat surface. Second one, scale, ratio between the actual distance of 2 points on the earth and the distance on a map. The scale. Legend, it is a representation of different geographical features by using different colors and symbols. Relief maps, map that shows the physical appearance of hills, mountains, ridges, valleys and slopes. Atlas, collection of several maps. நிறைய maps சேர்ந்து பார்த்தாக்கா அது atlas. Cardinal direction, north, south, east and west are called cardinal direction. Thematic map represent the distribution of a particular feature. Graduated, arranged in a series. Fine children, now moving on to evaluation part. Choose a correct answer. The science of map making is called dash. Your options are geography, cartography, physiography, physical geography. So the science of map making is called as cartography. Second one, north, south, east and west are 4 directions are called as dash. Your options are cardinal, geographical, latitudinal, angles. So it's called as cardinal. Third one, cultural maps are those which shows the dash features. Options are natural, man-made, artificial, environmental. So cultural maps are those which shows the man-made features. Moving on to fill in the blank. Second Roman number. Dash is an essential tool of a geographer. ஒரு geographer-க்கு இது ரொம்ப important map. Okay. So map is an essential tool of a geographer. Second one, the direction in between the cardinal direction are the intermediate dash. So that also direction only, intermediate direction. Third one, dash in a map which explains the different colors and symbols used in it. So dash எது கலர்ஸ்ல பண்ணாக்கா a legend or a key. Key-னு சொல்றோம். Blue means water, green அது கலர் சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? So whatever key. So key in a map which explains the different colors and symbols used in it. Fourth one, cadastral maps are known as dash. It means village or town maps. Fifth one, small scale maps are helpful to us to show large areas like dash and dash. So small scale maps are helpful to us to show large areas like continent and countries. So moving on to third Roman number, circle the odd one. Question 1. North, east, scale, northwest and east. So idhila yaru odd man out? So here the odd one out is scale. Second one, white, snow, highland and plains. Here the odd man out is white. Third question, relief map, soil map, physical map and atlas. So here the odd one out is atlas. Fourth question, weather forecasting, climate, rainfall and temperature. So here climate is the odd one out. Fourth one, match the following. First one, upper right corner. So the answer is N letter. So mele right hand corner la N எழுதணும். It means north symbolizing. Second one, key or legend. It means colors and symbols. Third one, large scale map. District or town. Physical map. Natural relief features. Fifth one, population map. Density and growth. Fine children. Moving on to fifth Roman number. Examine the following statements. An atlas is a bound volume of different types of maps. Second one, atlas maps are drawn on smaller scale. Third one, insignificant details are omitted. So here options are 1 and 3 are correct, 2 and 3 are correct, 1 and 2 are correct, 1, 2, 3 are correct. And the answer is fourth option, 1, 2, 3 are correct. An atlas is a bound volume of different types of maps. Atlas maps are drawn on smaller scales and insignificant details are omitted. Fine children. Moving on to second one. Statement is, globe is a three-dimensional model of the earth. Second statement, it is easy to handle and to carry as it can be rolled up or folded. And your options are, statement 1 is correct and second is wrong. Statement 1 is wrong and second is correct. Both the statements are correct. Both the statements are wrong. So your answer is option A. Statement 1 is correct and second one is wrong. Okay. Moving on to sixth Roman number. Name the following. Representing the earth on a flat surface. So map. Okay. Second one, ratio between the distance on a map and distance on the ground. That is called as scale. Third question, symbols which help to show roadways and railways. That is transportation maps. Fourth question, a book which contains different kinds of maps. Atlas. Fifth one, a map which shows administration divisions. That is political map. Moving on to seventh Roman number. Answer the following. What is a map? So map na enna? Map. A map is a representation of the earth as a whole or a part of the earth drawn on a flat surface according to a given scale. It can show continents, countries, cities and even local area. Second one, what is cartography? Cartography means, cartography is a science of map making. Cart, it means map. Graphy means drawing. Okay. So cartography. Third question, what are cardinal directions? So you can tell news. NEWS. North, east, west, south. Fourth question, what is an atlas? Atlas na enna? Atlas is a collection of maps in a book. Atlas maps are small scale maps covering large areas like continents and countries. Fifth one, name the types of atlas. So atlas li nariya types irukliya. Types of atlas. School atlas. So pasangalukku school children, school atlas. Regional atlas. Advanced atlas. National atlas. Fine children. Okay, moving on to question number 6. What are the uses of maps? சரி, மேப்போட யூஸ் என்ன? Uses of maps. Without seeing the area, maps enable us to know details of the landforms and other ground features. அதை நம்ம ஒரு ஊருக்கே போகலனாலும் மேப் பற்றி பார்க்கும்போது we'll understand. For example, South America, North America or Asia, Eurasia, whatever it may be, when you can see that map பார்த்தாலே ஓரளவுக்கு கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். Maps are very important for the military people to campaigns. So map பார்த்துட்டு military people, they can stay, camp and all. Maps are used in aeroplanes and ships to reach the destination safely. So map use பண்ணி தான் aeroplane, ship and all, they will reach the proper destination. They are used for weather forecasting and agricultural operations. Fine, children. Moving on to 8th Roman number. Answer in detail. What are the elements of maps? Write about it. So, elements of maps. Title, scale, direction, legend. Key of symbol. Fine, children. இப்போ title na enna? Every map has a title that describes the information given in the map. A map with the title India Rivers show rivers of India. For example, rivers map எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னாக்கா அது ரிவரோட கிளியராக பிக்சர் காமிக்குது. சரி, டைரக்ஷன். Maps are drawn with north orientation. மேலே இருக்கிறது the north orientation. Fine. The north is notified by letter N with an arrow mark. So ஒரு லைன் போட்டுட்டு மேலே N போட்டிருக்கும். It means மேலே north. It helps to find other directions on the map. ஸோ அதை பார்த்தாலே என்னாகும், லெஃப்டில் இருக்கிறது நீங்கள் வி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க, WEV. ஸோ லெஃப்டில் இருக்கிறது W, ரைட்டில் இருக்கிறது E. ஈஸ்ட், வெஸ்ட் அண்ட் சவுத். ஸோ ஒன்ஸ் அகேன் ஐ டெல் யூ, மேலே இருக்கிற நார்த் ஞாபகம் வச்சிட்டிங்கனாக்கா லெஃப்டில் எப்பயுமே W, வெஸ்ட், ரைட் சைட் ஈஸ்ட், WEV. Fine, children. East, west and south. Latitudes and longitudes are depicted in the margins. So latitude, longitude எல்லாம் எங்கே இருக்குது? மார்ஜின்ஸில் இருக்கும். Okay, moving on to scale. The ratio between the distance on the map between 2 points and actual distance between the 2 places on the ground is the scale of a map. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 10 kilometer on the ground. Fine, children? Okay, moving on to legend. Key. A legend or key of a map explains the symbols. The symbols are to represent various physical and cultural features. Internationally accepted signs and symbols are called conventional signs and symbols. அதாவது ஒரு sign இல்லை throughout the world same sign we should use. For the river can use பண்ணணும், or forest like that. Okay. Second one. What are the 3 ways of representation of maps? The 3 ways of representation of maps. Map is a representation of the earth as a whole or a part of earth drawn on a flat surface according to a given scale. அதாவது flat surfaceல பண்றது map. It can show continents, countries, cities and even local area are drawn with specific details. The maps give exposure to understand. So map நம்மளுக்கு clear-ஆ ஒரு ஐடியா கொடுக்குது. For example, physiographic features, mountains, plateaus, plains. Okay. Next one, water பற்றி எப்படின்னாக்கா water features, lakes, oceans, rivers. Cultural features, roads, settlements. Fine, children? Okay, next one, third question. Classify the maps based on functions. Map is a representation of the earth as a whole or a part of the earth drawn on a flat surface. The map is unique in its design, content and construction. On the basis of certain common functions, maps can be classified into several types. On the basis of scale, they can be classified large scale maps and small scale maps. On the basis of content, they can be classified physical map and cultural map. Okay. Okay. Now shall we see the 4th question? Write about comparison of map and globe. Is map and globe in a difference? Comparison of map and globe. Map na enna a 2-dimensional form of earth. But at the same time, globe means a 3-dimensional model of the earth. Next one, map shows a small or large area, whereas globe a true model of the earth, round a real model. Third one, map shows a detailed information about an area. And a globe என்ன பண்ணும்? Globe does not show the detailed information of the area. Next, fourth point for map. To explain rotation, the map cannot be turned. But globe to show rotation, the globe can be turned. Fifth question, map. Very easy to carry. And globe not easy to carry. So map not paper dana, we can carry anywhere. Maps are very easy to carry, whereas globe not easy to carry. புரிஞ்சுதுலையா? Fine children. Moving on to fifth question. Describe the types of maps based on scale. Write about it. The scale of a map, the distance on the map between 2 points. Actual distance between the 2 points on the ground. Okay? Maps on the basis of scale. இப்போ ஸ்கேலுக்கு large scale maps, topographical maps, wall maps, cadastral maps, small scale maps, atlas. Fine. இப்போ large scale map na enna? It shows small areas in greater details. They are drawn on a relatively large scale. Next, cadastral maps means it shows individual fields and house sites of villages and towns. Okay. Topographical maps, it shows smaller areas in much greater details. Survey of India prepares features like hills, valleys, buildings, roads, canals. Fine children? Alright. Next one, small scale maps show large areas, continents or countries. For example, scale means 1 centimeter means 1000 kilometer. 1000 kilometer குட்டியா 1 centimeter காமிச்சிருவாங்க. Okay? Wall maps, useful in classrooms and offices. It covers a large area with limited information. So wall maps, wall தொங்க விட்டுருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, அது classroom யூஸ் ஆகுது. Then it covers larger area with limited information. Next one, atlas, a collection of maps in a book. Fine. All right. 9th Roman number, HOTS. Map is an essential tool for a traveler. Why? Map is an essential tool for a traveler because reading of maps give exposure to understand the geographical location, physiographic features, water features and cultural features. Also, they give political boundaries of different countries and states. The maps can show continents, countries, cities and even a local area drawn with specific details. Transportation maps show roads, railway lines and location of railway station, airports and seaports, etc. Google Map is a web-based service that provides detailed information about geographical regions and sites around the world. So map பற்றி படிச்சிருக்கிறோம், globe பற்றி படிச்சிருக்கிறோம், இப்போ Google Map வர. So location எல்லாம் அமுச்சு விடலாம். So that will show everything. Fine children? Okay, here there is an activity for you. In an outline map of India, mark the following features by using symbols and colors. First one, mark any one of the district capitals. Draw any one river path. Okay, next one, mark any one of the mountains. Okay. Moving on to second one, draw the conventional signs and symbols to give points. For example, bridge, canal, dam, temple, forest, railway station. Fine children? Adukku you have to write the symbols now. I hope you all understood. Keep reading the book. Listen to the video. Fine? Thank you.